Hello dear subscribers, they'll show you how to add up to 20 photos on your iPhone in Instagram. So for doing that, you just need to go to the settings. First thing, just check your free space on your phone. So just go to the general, just open iPhone storage, and here you can also check free space on your phone. So after, you can try to open, just find here Instagram. After, just open it. Sorry, just not from here, but you need to do it from general, from iPhone storage, and after just open Instagram, and here you just need to, you will see here clear cache, or you can also tap on offload app, and after just install it again, so it will decrease your data from this app. So thanks for watching, have a nice day.